Hi, I'm Randy Vance. I'm the editor-at-large for Boating Magazine, and when I'm not working in boats, I'm playing in them. And playing in boats means you also have some work to do. Today I have my annual chore, which is maintaining the motor. I've got to change the oil, the fuel water separator, and the gear case lube, and I found everything I needed at Sierra Marine. Sierra parts come with some of the strongest warranties in the marketplace. Let's get started now on how to change your gear case lube. Select the appropriate Sierra gear case lube kit with a hand transfer pump. Remove the propeller using a block of wood to stop the prop from turning and a prop wrench. On the case of the Mercury Verado 400, the gear case drain plugs are right behind the propeller. You're going to want to trim your motor down to level so the gear case will drain completely. Place a drain pan or a bucket beneath the gear case. With the appropriate wrench, remove the drain plug. Remove the bottom one first so you don't get a gush of lube as you pull the plug away. Locate and remove the upper drain port so the gear case drains freely. Allow the gear case time to completely drain into the pan. Connect the transfer pump to the new lube container and insert the transfer pump nozzle into the lower drain port. Pump in lubricant until it drips out the top port. Replace the top port plug first and tighten. Doing this will create a vacuum in the gear case that will prevent lube from spilling from the bottom port. Remove the transfer nozzle and put a finger over the port until you replace the port plug. Replace the lower port plug and check for leaks. That's it, job done. And because I could find all the parts I needed at sierraparts.com, I didn't have to run around town filling my shopping list one part at a time.